Hello and welcome to Apple App Store Reviews. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the application Grenade. Now Grenade is a bit of a weird application, but it is useful. Here it is. You just click activate, and you might be able to, the camera might be able to pick that up on the microphone, but otherwise it displays a really high pitched noise. And it's very irritating. You can't find out which direction it's coming from, so it is quite useful if you're trying to break up something. You can also set an alarm. When you click it, it goes on, and you need 3 fingers to turn it off. You can also set a timer here, and then it will go off. Yeah, that's all it does. But I suppose it'd be quite useful if you're trying to irritate people, if you're one of those people. Okay, well, thanks for watching. My YouTube channel is Apple App Store Reviews on YouTube. My website is web.me.com/ibumblebee. There's a link to it on my channel, so yeah, definitely check that out. Thank you, and goodbye.